Good evening, boys and girls. It's another episode of your favorite country teacher. Tonight we're going to focus on one of my favorites. Well, it's my favorite because there's so many questions about it, but we still have to practice it. So I'm going to take another example of these. This is mixed numbers times regular fractions. Mixed numbers and multiplied times fractions. Mixed beans and collard greens, I like to call it, but we shorten it tonight and just call it mixed greens. So now, I don't necessarily need to touch this one because we know when we multiply fractions, boys and girls, we multiply the numerator and the denominator. Sorry, the numerator times the numerator and denominator times the denominator. But in this case, we have to turn this mixed number into an improper fraction so we can have something to actually multiply. So, as in my other videos, I multiply on the bottom and add the top. Multiply on the bottom and add the top. 2 times 4 is 8, plus 1 more is 9. And 9 and 2 stays the same. I'm going to use what I know. And I'm going to use that there. That way you can see what I'm doing here. So this and this are the same. 9 over 2 is the same as 4 and 1/2. Now I can go ahead and use my multiplication skill. That's why I erased that there. Multiplication skills to see what I can do here. 3 times 9 is 27. And 5 times 2 is 10. Ta-da! 27 over 10. There's another step that you can do here. If you bear with me, I'm going to try to do that step down here. 27 over 10 is our first answer. So it's right. But I want to go ahead and simplify it and make that into a mixed number. So 27 is my denominator or my numerator. I'm going to divide that by my denominator. And there's two 10s in 27. And then I have 7 left over. That 7 becomes my numerator. And 10 is my denominator. And so my answer, my final answer is 2 7/10. See if you can practice this in the home, boys and girls.